So here's the lights, beautiful lights all around here, and we're going to change different colors. Alright, today we're going to bring some outdoor light bulbs, and these are plastic. They include actual hooks so you can hang them. So you can hang them from here, and then of course they include the actual remote, which has a great features. You could light them up different colors, you could different waves, you could turn them off and on, and auto too. And these are outdoor graded, so you don't have to worry about ever dropping them. I'm going to set them up for night. See how beautiful they look. So now that the Christmas is around the corner, you can set these up outdoors and don't have to worry about any rain or shine or damaging your LED lights. So let's set them up and see how they look. All right, let's take a look at the actual colors. We're going to try different modes. Here's one mode. Keep going. The other one. We'll try different setups. We'll do solid colors. And then we choose solid colors too by themselves individually. Then we have on and off, and on. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.